Hello, everyone. My name is Selena, and I'm a student recruiter for the Faculty of Agricultural, Life, and Environmental Sciences, or better known as AILS. Today, I'll be talking more in depth about the AILS faculty and the career options available. Before we begin our presentation, I would like to acknowledge the University of Alberta is located on Treaty 6 territory and respects the histories, languages, and cultures of First Nations, Métis, Inuit, and all First People of Canada, whose presence continues to enrich our vibrant community. The University of Alberta is known to be the top 5 university in Canada, and I would like to emphasize that in the past few years, the U of A has been placed in the top 76 for its quality of agriculture and forestry. AILS is known to have a smaller and student-focused programs. Our student population averages around 1,500 students, meaning that your interaction with professors and advisors are individualized and focused to your needs. You will build a strong network of people before university graduation. Also, AILS student clubs are very active and close-knit community on campus. Some of the student groups we have available include Environmental and Conservation Sciences Students Association, Forestry Society, Human Ecology Students Association, Pre-Vet/Animal Health Club, and many more clubs. We have one of the largest pools of scholarships and awards on campus. We have over 300 awards worth more than 700,000 available to our 1,500 students, which means that you have a higher chance of getting a scholarship by joining our AILS faculty. Within the faculty of AILS, there are research centers and facilities available for undergrad students to pursue their passions and studying further within agriculture, environment, and textiles. For example, the U of A also has a Dairy Research and Technology Center that looks at how to enrich the nutritional quality of milk. We offer hands-on and applied degree programs targeted at helping students to be competitive in the workforce before graduation. Many of our graduates obtain employment prior to graduation due to the huge demand in the field, usually through the relationships built within the classroom and work placement. Are you interested in going to France to study fashion and culinary arts? Or are you interested in going to the Netherlands to research animal breeding? Or maybe Wales to study forestry environment? There are so many opportunities available where you can travel and expand your knowledge in agriculture, life, and environmental sciences. The mini internship program matches students with a local employer for 3-day workplace visit over Reading Week. The program runs twice a year during both fall and winter reading weeks. During this time, students have the opportunity to observe, ask questions, and get their hands dirty. The Human Ecology Practicum is equivalent to 2 university courses, 6 credits, and offers students the direct hands-on opportunity for 200 hours. Students have completed their practicums at places like Dogs with Wings, Alberta Milk, the Bay, and many more. The dietetics program has an internship program available for the 4th-year students. Students are placed at various professional health practices to practice their skills and gain hands-on experience in that clinical setting. Science Internship Program provides opportunity for all AILS students to apply knowledge gained in academic studies to the workplace through a full-time, paid 4, 8, 12, or 16-month internship experience. The majority of our students are in their 3rd or 4th year when heading out for internship. It is run with the Faculty of Science, which does expand the number of internships available for our AILS students. Students in any business management program can also access the School of Business Co-op program. Our ENCS and forestry program includes field schools to provide students learning through hands-on experience. Before first year, forestry students will go on a 6-day trip to travel across Western and Northern Alberta to explore various forestry career paths. During their senior years, forestry and ENCS students will go on 11-day field trip where they gain further hands-on learning focused on their discipline, including pollinator studies, forestry management, and much more. In our AILS faculty, our programs can be categorized into 4 separate buckets. First, we have our social transformation, which includes our Fashion Business Management, and Human Ecology degree. Next, we have our Health and Food bucket. This is going to include these 4 different degrees of Nutrition Food Science, Dietetic Specialization, Food Science and Technology Specialization, and Honors in Food Science or Nutrition. Next, we have our Environment bucket. This includes our Environmental and Conservation Sciences, our Environmental Conservation Sciences combined degree with Bachelor of Arts Native Studies, Environmental Studies, Forestry, Forest Business Management. Last, our Animals and Agriculture bucket includes our Animal Health degree, Agriculture, Food/Business Management. Many of you might wonder what human ecology is. Well, human ecology is the study of human life and activity in different ecosystems and cultures in the present and past. Our Bachelor of Science in Human Ecology program first uses a holistic approach to solve human problems and enhance human potential in all environments where people live and work, like social, natural, cultural, political, and material. There's 2 different majors under our human ecology. First, our clothing, textile, material, culture. This major is all about how clothing is designed, produced, distributed, and used. Students develop skills within garment design and construction, examine quality assurance, sustainability, and fair labor practices. Next, we have our family science major. Students learn about family strengths, issues, intervention techniques, and develop skills in areas that include parent-child relationships, couple relationships, program planning, and evaluation. In our fashion business degree, students will prepare for a career in the increasingly business-oriented and globalized fashion industry. In this program, students will gain an advanced understanding of the analytical, marketing, and management tools, leadership skills, and ethical values required for business professionals working in a fashion industry. Our health and food degrees offer a diverse education in human nutrition and food sciences in the areas of microbiology, engineering of technical processes used in preservation and distribution of foods products. So, what is the difference between nutrition and food science? Well, nutrition is more about how the food you eat is processed in the body and what happens after in terms of chemical reactions and how it relates to fitness and health. Meanwhile, food science, about the food itself, food scientists focus on production development, quality assurance, and safety. First, we have our Nutrition Food Science General program. There is 8 minors available for this program, so depending on the minor the student chooses will dictate which way their degree will go. Second, we have our dietetic specialization. This is a non-direct entry. This professional program specializes in how the body processes and uses nutrients and how food choices can help promote human health and wellness as well as manage disease. This health science specialization trains students in the knowledge and practical skills to become a registered dietitian. A 3rd degree, food science and technology specialization. Students will apply chemistry, microbiology, food processing to the manufacturing, preservation, storage, and distribution of food. Lastly, honors in food science or nutrition. These programs are designed for highly motivated achievers with a keen interest in pursuing research. Honors programs offer specialized academic and research training and can prepare students for entry to other programs and graduate studies. We have our environment bucket. So first we have our environmental conservation sciences. This one has 6 majors available. ENCS program, students will explore how interactions between science, society, and the economy influence environmental management decisions, whether you want to work protecting plant or animal species, develop a better understanding of how policies affect environmental management, or reclaim distributed sites of pipelines or oil field activity. This program offers opportunities for everyone. Next, we have our Environmental and Conservation Sciences combined degree, Bachelor of Arts, Native Studies. This degree will take a student 5 years to complete, and they will obtain 2 degrees. Students can learn about how Aboriginal history, politics, and cultural values influence natural resources management while promoting stewardship of Aboriginal lands within the context of government policies, industrial development. Next, we have our environmental studies. There are 3 different streams available. This program is for those who want more flexible course choices related to environment and arts. Because you have access to courses from Faculty of Arts, Native Studies, Science, and ALS, you're able to tailor this degree to the topics that you would like to study. The degree explores the vast subjects of scientific, cultural, and social dimensions of environmental issues. It offers three concentrations: culture, society, and peoples of Canada, food and society, politics, society, and the global environment. Okay, so next we have our forestry and forest business management. Have you ever heard of mountain pine beetles or remember the Fort McMurray wildfires a few years ago? Graduates of these two degrees, the forestry and forest business management, work towards reducing the effects and risk of these types of situations. Forestry focuses on production and the use of forested areas while ensuring it's sustainable and as well as social and cultural needs are met. Job opportunities for forestry are in demand, especially as a registered professional forester. Forest business management, again, is learning those topics that the forestry students do as well. But students are also in this program learning about the importance of managing and sustaining our forests while gaining practical business experience that focuses on forestry operations. Next, we have our animals and agriculture. Our first one is the animal health degree with our two majors, companion and performance animals. This major really focuses on the human animal bond, in addition to learning all about companion animal physiology in cats, dogs, and horses. Students will also take courses related to animal welfare, behavior, and nutrition, learn from real case studies of sports animals, animal assisted therapy, animals who serve to improve the well being of individuals. Next, we have our food animals major. This is fairly specialized major with a very strong scientific focus related to animal biological systems and health targeted at ensuring healthy animal food supply. Popular courses include veterinary immunology and animal metabolism. Next, we have our agriculture degree. There are 4 different majors to choose from: crop science, animal science, agriculture and resources economics, sustainability, agriculture systems. In general, the agriculture field is the second largest industry in Alberta and is a fast-paced and high-tech. The field of agriculture includes everything from plant biology, soil health, animal nutrition requirements, and more. Students in this program often have their summer jobs lined up by the end of October because there's so much demand for expertise in this field. Lastly, we have the Bachelor of Science Agriculture / Food Business Management. This one is more focused on scientific and economic relationships that influence activities in the food industry. So again, students are getting that agriculture side or food side learning as well as business side. The Faculty of ALS is very unique in that most often the programs lead students to apply for a professional accreditation upon graduation. Our course materials and work experience opportunities meet the majority of requirements, making the accreditation process much smoother. Some of these professional accreditations lead to a 6-figure salary in the long term. Most of the programs at ALS share the same high school course admission requirements. We are looking at English 30-1, Chemistry 30, Biology 30, Math 30-1, with an exception of few programs will accept Math 30-2. Please double check on our website for those specific programs. And then lastly, an additional course from one on the list. Well, thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation today. If you would like to contact us, you can reach out to us at one of the links I have provided here.